welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making homemade granola bars. My daughter loves to bring these to school for lunch, but we don't always like the ones that you buy at the store. They tend to have a lot of chocolate in them for whatever reason, and that's not really her thing, so we decided to make some ourselves. So this is our homemade recipe. Let's get started.
Not too many ingredients today. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of creamy peanut butter. The natural kind works best as it's softer. 2/3 cup or 200 grams of honey or corn syrup or rice syrup. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar. A pinch of salt. 2½ cups or 225 grams of oats or some kind of dry granola. Mine had some pumpkin seeds mixed in there. 1/3 cup or 50 grams chocolate chips or raisins or other dried fruit. We're using raisins today. 3 tablespoons or 25 grams of almonds or other nuts or seeds. Not too many or they won't stick together properly. Really easy to make though. Just stir together the peanut butter, corn syrup, salt, and vanilla until smooth. Then add everything else and stir until everything is combined. Feel free to mix it with your hands if you need to. Then press the mixture into an 8 by 8 inch square pan lined with baking paper. Press the granola mixture into the form firmly with your hands or something flat. Chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Once the bars are firm, cut them with a knife. This is just the right size. These have a strong peanut butter flavor but are also just the right amount of sweet. My daughter and I both love the nuts and raisins, but you can add your favorite dried fruit, nuts, or seeds, whatever you prefer. Just keep the ratios similar. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.